musicians, it's time for a vocal warm-up. Would you please echo me? All right. Oh no. All right. Oh no. Very good. Now we're going to do a call and response story. When you hear a phrase that you think is good, you're going to say, all right. When you hear a phrase you think is not so good, you're going to say, oh no. Okay, let's try it. A man went up in an airplane. Now, I bet that some of you just said, a man went up in an airplane. That's not what we're doing, right? It's not an echo, it's a call and response. So I say, a man went up in an airplane, and you say, all right. Let's try it one more time. A man went up in an airplane, but the airplane didn't have an engine. But the man had a parachute, but the parachute had a hole in it. But there was a haystack below him, but the haystack had a pitchfork in it. But he missed the pitchfork. But he missed the haystack too.